driveway with multiple Subarus. 1, 2, 3. Another one at the bottom there. Yeah, that one's mine. Project WRX. Alright, today it is, well, it's really snowing. Well, it's not snowing now, but it's very pretty outside, it really is. So we've got lots of snow on the ground, and it's nice. But today's job is to make the exhaust louder on the WRX. As if by magic, the decibel meter. Let's find out how loud it is right now. What we have is a decat pipe on the front. So downpipe has the cat removed, the centre resonator is removed, and the second cat is removed, and then it goes all the way until this standard Prodrive back box. But it's really quite miserably quiet. It makes me sad inside. Please excuse the doors, that's another project was undergo. But I'm sure you will agree is a pretty miserable sound level for a Subaru, and that needs fixed. Can't believe it's so quiet even though it has no cats and no centre resonator. Right, plan is rear muffler off, strip out all the sound deadening packing material, and then get it back on again. That's the plan. These ramps really are the best. If you want to see how we made them, well, Dave made them. He's got a link on his channel. Let's put a thing up like in the corner here that'll show you how they get made. What size spanner you got?
17.
Have you treated it with WD or anything like that? Trying raw, going in dry.
They are absolutely fantastic.
Are they good?
Someone's used stainless bolts.
Oh, God bless whoever it was. I think that was, I want to see TDR Racing in Warwick, because they did most of the work on this car.
Right.
There's a fellow called Mark there, no idea what his surname is, everyone just says Mark from TDR. Maybe TDR is his surname and From is his middle name.
Yeah, I've managed to not lose anything so far, so that's progress. Right, well, that's off.
That's off, okay.
Now, I don't know if anybody else organises their screwdriver drawer this way, but all my Phillips head go one way and all my planes go the other way.
That is a good scheme, and I bet that when you find stuff pointing in the wrong direction, it was me. Man, I don't know how you find stuff in this workshop. I mean, the good thing is that you have everything in here.
Yes, well, that made the summer project of actually organising it and tidying it. Will it come off by hand? It's just getting your hand in there.
One.
2 more to go? 1 more? 2 more? Ah, right, my fucking ear.
What, you get dripped on?
Ah. I mean, in it.
First time your ears have ever been cleaned.
And it's on stainless, which is... Here it comes.
Oh, that's what she said.
Is it heavy or not?
Oh, I mean, it's alright.
No?
I reckon maybe about 15 kilos maybe?
Oh, let the smoke out. Ah, dual layered.
Is it exhaust smoke? Like a fiberglass mat inside there.
Yes, in between the two halves. Well, not halves, but shells. Well.
I'm not gonna lie, David, there's
nothing in there.
Really not much in there. Why the hell is it so much quieter? Exhaust gases are coming in this way, out of this pipe, whiz around the chamber, and then eventually find their way into the hole at the bottom and go out the back.
Yes. Ah!
Oh, wait. Dun, 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 dun.
Wadding!
Ah, right, that shit is...
So that's where it is.
That's a problem.
Okay.
Well, good. So we've found a science, and it's less scientific than I expected. Right, hold your breath.
I have to breathe this. Wait, we've got things for this.
That's like burnt hair.
There is trouble. There is a bird's nest in here.
Oh, what is this shit?
Fiberglass. Or glass matting in the glass strand.
It looks like human hair.
Pubes.
It does look a little pubic, doesn't it?
I need to turn it. Or turn me, one of the two.
Try not to cut your hand on any of the sharp pieces.
I'll try. I'll try to get it all at once. There.
Wow, there's a lot in there.
I think that's just about it.
Okay. That is a load of manky pubic hair. Okay. Oh man, I want to see how clean this gets now. Cleanest Prodrive exhaust in existence. Cleanest and loudest.
Like that.
Something
like
by
that.
jingo, it might just work.
It's not quite ghetto.
It's a ratchet strap and a screwdriver in a workshop you built yourself. Right, so that now has been cut open, all of the glass matting pubes have been ripped out, and Dave has welded a nice E onto the top of it.
It's exactly the same. 74 decibels.
So this is a terrible disappointment because it's exactly the same. Like, we've removed all that pubic sound deadening and the noise is no different. So now I don't understand why people are gutting the Prodrive back box. It appears to make no difference whatsoever.
It doesn't even sound different.
No, it doesn't sound different. It still sounds stealthy. I don't want stealthy. I want it to sound like it's restarting a dead planet.
It's straight pipe time!
Straight pipe!
Okay, I take it back, it does sound different. It's got a rip.
Right, you go hit it. Okay. Okay, I would now like to retract my previous statement. Yes, that is louder. That is different.
It's different. It's maybe not louder, but it's different.
So there is a change to the sound. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but let's see if I can live with that for a while. Having spent no money. Oh, they come out of the smoke. Oh, he's so mysterious. He's also an what a douchebag! For more special projects from two very special people, tune in next time. Thank you for watching again, and take care everyone. Goodbye. It might be time for some dinner. Bye.